Hello, this is Mr. Painter with another fabulous IXL tutorial. Today we're working on IXL O1, Identify and Classify Polygons. All right, our first question is this shape a regular polygon? A regular polygon is a closed-sided figure, in which this one is, but the word regular means that all the sides are the same and all the angles are the same. So notice that this side right here is way longer than this side and this itty bitty side right here. So a regular polygon is all the same sides and all the same angles. Now, if it's just a regular polygon, well, that's just any side or any shape that is a close figure. All right, so let's do a couple of these and see what happens. Okay, so regular polygon, the sides are not the same and they're not the same angle, so that is not a regular polygon. So that one's done. Is this shape a regular polygon? Remember, the word regular means all the same sides and the same angles. So notice it turns out a 45-degree angle, same side, 45-degree angle, and so forth. So all the sides are the same and it turns the same amount. So that is a regular polygon. How many sides does a decagon have? So you're going to refer to the tutorial at the beginning of the video. A decagon is 10 sides. Is this shape a regular polygon? So a regular polygon, it says that all the sides are the same and they turn at the same angle, and they do. That one's a yes. All right, is this shape a regular polygon? This is absolutely not a regular polygon because it's all over the place. So the answer is no. How many sides does a pentagon have? A pentagon will have 5 sides. How many sides does a triangle have? Well, a triangle will have 3 sides. Is this a polygon? So right here, a polygon, this is kind of tricky. I haven't seen one of these before. Now, a polygon is any shape that is a closed figure. So notice that the line keeps going and it's closed. I don't think it's a regular polygon, but I do think it is a polygon. So let's just see yes and see what happens. And it's not. So let's find out why. So a polygon is a closed figure with straight lines. Okay, so that's going to be important there. So we know. All right, how many sides does a quadrilateral have? Quadrilaterals have 4 sides. Beautiful. Is this shape a regular polygon? The answer is no, because all the sides are not the same length and not the same angles. Is this a polygon? Straight lines, closed figure, yes. Is this a polygon? Yes, this is actually a quadrilateral because it's a 4-sided shape, so absolutely on that. Now we're just cooking right along. We got 68 already. It is shape a regular polygon, so watch out for the word regular because the word regular means same side length and same angles. So, yes, all the same sides, and it keeps turning at the same rate. We're at 72. We're going to take it up to 80. Is this shape a regular polygon? Absolutely. It is a perfect triangle. A perfect triangle is also called an equilateral triangle. Is this shape a polygon? So remember, we got kind of stuck earlier on that circle funny looking thing. And a polygon has to have straight lines, so I'm calling no on that one. How many sides does a hexagon have? A hexagon has 6 sides. And there we go, 81. This concludes the tutorial. Have a fantastic day.